Setting up your foil greetings card can be a little bit tricky. Let's go through the basic steps on how to lay out your artwork and what element to avoid when designing your foil greetings card. Your artwork needs to be set up the following way. On page 1, your file is the front and the back of your greetings card. On page 2 is the inside of your card. Page 3 is the front and back showing the foil overlay, and page 4 must be kept blank. Here are some examples to avoid when designing your foil greetings card. This card is to demonstrate first that certain fonts are too fine to print reliably, due to the fine lines within the text. It is also to demonstrate that foil elements should not be represented on the print page due to tolerance and alignment of the foil. The second example here, again, shows the fine line within the text. Due to tolerance in foiling, artwork should not be set up so that it relies on perfect alignment. So for this one, any misalignments of the foil would result in white gaps between the CMYK print and the foil. Here is a design that would work great. This one shows a chunky, blocky text that would foil well due to the line weight, meeting the line requirements. The foil will sit on top of the CMYK elements, giving plenty of room for artwork to be slightly off register without the chance of white lines appearing around the tree edges. If you find this video useful, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.